Making characters talk real. The power of dialect and accents. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English language learning. We're focusing on dialogue and within that, a specific topic, using dialects and accents. This is a powerful tool to add authenticity to your storytelling and injects life into your characters. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to understand what dialects and accents are. A dialect involves not just pronunciation differences, but also grammar and vocabulary. An accent, on the other hand, is only about pronunciation. They are part of the unique identity of individuals and communities. By employing them in your storytelling, you can communicate a lot about a character's background, including their geographical roots, social status, and personal history. Writing in dialect can be tricky but extremely rewarding. Here are some tips. 1. Research is key. Make sure you understand the dialect you're trying to replicate. 2. Be consistent. If you choose to use a dialect, ensure it remains consistent throughout the dialogue. 3. Don't overdo it. You want your readers to understand the dialogue easily. Make it feel natural. Remember, the aim is to enhance the reader's experience, not to alienate them with difficult language. Accents are all about pronunciation. Here are some ways to express accents. 1. Phonetic spellings. Write words as they are pronounced in the accent. For instance, if a character with a Cockney accent says butter, it could be written as butta. 2. Use of language specifics. For instance, British English often includes you in words like color, which American English omits. 3. Use of slang. Including local slang can really bring out the accent of a character. Always be respectful and avoid stereotypes. It's about authenticity, not caricature. So that's it, learners. A deep dive into using dialects and accents in your dialogue for effective storytelling. Remember to be respectful and authentic when representing other people's speech patterns. It's not just about writing well, it's about understanding and appreciating the rich tapestry of English language and culture. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy storytelling.